got, bitch. Shut the fuck up, for real. Pussy ass, for real. Shut the fuck up. You got nothing. Wasn't nobody goddamn driving. No goddamn keys in the ignition. What the fuck? You really got somebody on, bitch, for what?
See, you had to get there somehow. Welcome back to the channel. This is Derrick J Reacts. I, of course, am Derrick J. Listen, if y'all don't know, I make deliveries during the day. That's my day job when I do YouTube at night. But YouTube keeps me up late a lot of nights. So when I'm out doing deliveries in my car, when I don't have a delivery, I'm in the parking lot, and most of the time I'm asleep, you know, and nobody except for one person, one lady came and woke me up one time to check and see if I was okay. And I woke up and I could tell the look on her face, she was really concerned for me. She was. And I thanked her for checking on me, you know, and I appreciated it. I really did. This woman got woken up out of her sleep when she was asleep in the car. Now, let's see if she was as appreciative as I was. You know she wasn't. Let's check out this video and let's see what happened once the police showed up.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Alright, let me get that. ID, please.
Your name, please, your badge number, like I am doing literally
Deputy
nothing
McCann,
wrong.
On January 9th, 2024, police were called to have a suspicious person inside of a parked truck removed from the property of a commercial building.
How are you, sir? Is this your truck? Oh. Oh, you're sleeping? Are you with them?
I just stopped there. I was part of the fun. My family.
Okay, so I guess the people who own this building here, they don't want anyone on the property because it's turned into sale. So they're wanting me to trespass anyone who's still on the property. So
I'm living on the 17th back to Pennsylvania.
Okay.
I'm just waiting to get the hell out.
$42.99 St. John. 6 South 1020. Charlie Foxtrot 72 Lima Alpha Black GMC for you. Yeah, just don't be back on the property. How long has she been like this? Has she moved at all?
I walked up. No, she moved, yes. I walked up and she was... Just sitting down a minute, I was on the beach and showed my family.
Yeah. Okay, you're good. Is that a Whiskey Foxtrot? Temper, go ahead and run her. Can't tell if she's passed out or sleeping behind the wheel, but she's breathing. Temper. I'll advise in just a second. I'm going to wake her up now. Hello? You okay? Hey. You okay?
I guess. I'm like, sorry, I don't know how to answer. But I don't, and also, like, none of it.
What?
I'm good. What's going on?
Super.
What are you doing on the property here?
Really, just chilling. Like, it's not allowed, like, regular.
Yeah, so the people that own the property here, that are managing it, they don't want anyone on the property. You're parked on the property.
Wait.
And then they want you off the property. And then when I walked up here,
Me
you were...
particularly?
Yeah, anyone who's on the property. But yes, you specifically in the truck. You have ID on you?
Yes, wait, I'm sorry, what is the problem, like, right
Trespassing.
now?
You're on private property, and they want you to
Yeah,
trespass.
no, this is public property.
Hey, what's your guess right now? Before continuing on with this video, do you think she's A, drunk, or B, high? Which one do you believe? A, drunk, B, high? Actually, C, both. If you think she's both, which one you think right now? Drop it in the comment section right now. Don't cheat. Drop it right now. Okay? All right. Let's go.
No, you're literally on the property of this restaurant right here. And then if you're trying to say you're on public property, then like the roadway, then you're stopped in the middle of a roadway.
I'm not.
Okay. So either way, it's lose-lose. You have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, let me get that. ID, please.
Your name, please, your badge number, like, I am doing literally
Deputy
nothing
McCandless,
wrong.
St. Thomas
I
County
am,
Sheriff's Office.
sometimes my keys in my fucking ignition, like, what the fuck is the problem for real?
Okay, so first of all, I'm making contact with you because you're trespassing on private property.
Hell, no.
Second of all, you're
no,
passed
ain't
out
no
behind the
signs,
wheel.
there ain't
You
none.
got open containers of beer. I can smell the odor of
My
alcohol.
keys ain't in my ignition, like.
Keys don't have to be in the ignition.
Like,
If you said drunk, you're right. There's still a chance that it's both. But we know it's not only... Okay, I gave you three choices, A, B, or C. Right now, we know that it's not just high. She could be just drunk, or she could be drunk and high, but it's not just high. If you confused, it's because I'm confused too. And let's just keep going. Let's just keep going.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Do you have your ID on you?
multiple times I have said yes. What the fuck am I charged
Give
with?
me your driver's license. Give me your ID.
I'm gonna reach for my shit. I'm telling you what the fuck I'm doing right now. I ain't doing shit, Larry, nothing here. I mean, do you see what the fuck I'm going for right now, y'all? You don't take no offense to this? It's just really hungry. My keys are not in my ignition. I ain't driving nowhere. This ain't a motherfucking private property. Like, what the fuck do you want from me, really? I am not
The
doing
ID
shit.
that's in your hand, that's what I want.
Multiple times. Again.
Thank you.
It don't even need to be no problem for real. Like,
How long ago did you drink those?
what do you mean?
The beer that's open right there, that's actually still got condensation on it.
But yeah, so like this is not even open. So like, this is like way closed. And also my keys are not in my ignition. Like, what do you want from me?
What is your keys in the ignition after
They're not. I am not driving anywhere. Like, what do you want from me?
Okay, put the keys right there next to your leg. 42.99, sit down.
Can I get my ID back?
Yep, you can step out of the truck. She's 10-4, 10-6-7-1, 10-6-9 code 1.
No, I'm not. I'm not stepping out of the truck. I'm not doing anything illegally.
Yep, you are detained.
No.
You are detained, and I'm doing a DUI investigation. So I'm asking you to step out of the truck. You can step out of the truck and comply, or I can just pull you out of the truck and arrest you.
Can I get my ID back?
Nope, this is your last opportunity. Do you want to get out of the truck, yes or no?
My keys are not in the
Okay.
ignition.
Is there-
I am not
Tristan?
driving.
Tristan?
There is no need
Okay.
for you to detain me. You literally just
Tristan, is there, Tristan, is there
Like,
anything I can say to make you comply and get out of the vehicle?
There's no reason for
Okay,
nothing.
so you're not going to get out of the car?
Can I get my ID back?
No, you cannot get your ID back. I'm asking you, is there anything I can say that'll make you get out of the truck?
What on earth are you fucking trying to arrest me for a lot? For real, where's your car?
I'm not arresting you, you're detained.
Where's your car?
Like,
Okay.
sir, I'm gonna be quiet. Like, I need all my stuff back.
All right,
I
last
need
opportunity. Are you going to exit the truck, yes or no? All right, come on out. Come on out. Don't make this hard. Give me the keys. Come on out.
For what reason? Don't touch me. Are you
Come
insane?
out. Come out or I pull you
There
out.
is no...
Come out or I pull you out. Come on.
Sir.
Come out or I pull you out.
Why?
Just comply. You're under arrest.
For what?
You are under arrest.
What? For what reason?
Resisting and driving under the influence.
No one is
Last
driving.
opportunity.
My
Get
keys
out.
are not
Get
in
out.
my ignition.
Get out.
Like, are you crazy? Like, oh my God. What?
Put your arm behind your back.
Wow. That's crazy, girl.
You can go ahead and show me 1015 for signal 1 or resisting without 1048. Alright, well, now we get that over with. On back to your butt. Alright, bring your leg in, your left leg. No, just your left leg. Bring that leg out. We're gonna get up. You're gonna get up on and lean up on this leg. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now I'm gonna walk you over to my car. Yep.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Okay. Come on.
Excuse me, what the fuck are you gonna do with my goddamn car and all my shit? We're not gonna fucking do shit, you piece of goddamn fucking shit for real.
Is there anything out here gonna know about new weapons? Sit back here, because we're gonna start writing here in a minute.
Yo, what you doing with my truck, bro? By who? St. Augustine Tow?
Yep.
On what grounds? What the f you arrested me for? I'm asking you a question. Why did you arrest me, sir?
Driving under the influence.
Want no goddamn keys in the motherfucking ignition? How the f I'm driving, huh? No, yeah, dumbass bitch for real. What a goddamn driving on the influence with no fucking keys in the ignition. How I'm driving? How I'm driving? Huh? Oh, okay, yeah, alright. What the f else you got, bitch? Shut the f up, for real. Pussy ass, for real. Shut the f up, you got nothing. Wasn't nobody goddamn driving. No goddamn keys in the ignition. What the f you really got somebody on, bitch, for what?
See, you had to get there somehow. You had to get there somehow. And that is why he asked you about the beer. He was like, how long ago did you drink that? Because, you know, if there was a beer open in there, you could say, I drove here sober, but then I started drinking once I got here. And I never drove again. But since there was no open beer in the car, that means you were drunk before you arrived. That means you were driving under the influence. You see how that works? That's crazy, right? I just broke it down for you. Let's go.
Nothing. Why you live a raggedy ass life? You gon' continue to live a raggedy ass life. The f you alive for nothing. Wasn't no goddamn keys in the ignition. Who the f driving for real on the influence? For real? For real? For real? That's what you think you got for real? Bitch, how the f keys in the ignition? How the f I'm driving for real? Huh? No? Okay. You're a little slick ass bitch for real bullshit ass life. The f for real? Like, you know you f your whole goddamn life. Because you already arrested on some goddamn bullshit. If I'm the first, you do it for real. Like, really? Really, really? You a young ass bitch for real. You younger than me. And you talking about you got somebody on some driving under the influence. Bitch, my shit wasn't in no goddamn fucking ignition. There was no keys in the ignition. How the fuck I'm driving? You want me to fuck up, you pussy ass for real. Good luck to you. With your raggedy ass goddamn family for real. That's why you is a whole ass bitch for real. No explanation, no excuse. No reason why the fuck you live a miserable life except that you dumb, ugly, and for real. You should work for Putnam County. What the fuck you doing out here? You sure you don't work for Putnam County, you raggedy ass for real. Stupid bitch, for real. How the f you got somebody out driving under the influence? Nigga, with no goddamn keys in the ignition, was nobody driving. You stupid for real. Hey, county, oh, Putnam County, that's what the f don't cut him out his face. Cause his check the same too, cause he doing for real. He ugly, he stupid for real. Work for Putnam County ass on St. Johns County. Bitch gonna slam me out of the goddamn car again? The f go ahead, nobody get too f about you for real. Go ahead, bitch, for real. What you said it was? What the name of the damn tow truck was? St. Augustine, some bullshit. You a whole ass shade for real. Don't rip a bitch out her goddamn truck. She sleep. That's what the f you do on your goddamn job. You wholly ashamed, bitch. For real, what you hit, 26, 27? You early for real. Yo, mama, yo, daddy, just piece of shit. What else? Huh? Oh, every bitch you done been with us slapped you in your goddamn face because you ain't worth shit. Can't got tiny. Huh? Really? You wanna with me, bitch? You done ripped me out my goddamn truck, stole my goddamn keys like I did a whole motherfucking anything. Give two fucks about you. No, I'm not talking to you. I don't give a about you. Shut the fuck up. Leave me alone. I got nothing to say to you. Shut the fuck up. Don't nobody goddamn care. Shut the fuck up. Don't nobody give a fuck about you. Shut up, retard ass. You rip me out my goddamn truck and rip me no goddamn ride. Tell me the fuck I'm arrested for what? Halfway through the goddamn drive. Now you're reading my mail rights? For real, what the fuck you arrested me for? What reason? There was no even goddamn keys in the motherfucking ignition. Really? I don't give a fuck. Look, you in the pickle suit. I don't give a fuck what you saying right now. Go ahead with your little reading off a goddamn little old two-piece of shit, motherfucker. Are you new? Are you new? Is that why you gotta read it off a motherfucking little old card and shit? Go ahead. You knew, we know you knew. And so what? So the fuck what? And so what? Go ahead, bitch, for real. You know you arrested me on some goddamn bullshit, for real. You know this shit gonna come back to you like less than 3 to 5 years. Like, what? For then your family gonna wonder, what happened to my little son? My little baby, something like that. Like, y'all, he arrest little bitches on some dumb ass motherfucking bullshit. That's it. Like, but you don't know the weight that it carry. What? Historic Sheriff's Office, St. Johns County. Bitch, you work for Putnam County. Get the fuck out of my goddamn face, for real. Really? No, I'm making this shit way worth it. You ripped me on my goddamn truck, slammed me on my motherfucking face like you was a half a goddamn bitch, for real. You got me fucked up, for real. And you towed my shit for no goddamn fucking reason. Hey, guess what? If you ever have a fucking daughter, she gonna get raped by some nasty ass that she can't help her from. Hey, like that. Little nigga, for real. You ain't gonna have no kids because you is a ass bitch. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What the fuck? Bitch, you decided to arrest me for nothing. Nothing. There ain't that little pussy ass bitch, for real. What you gonna do? Motherfucker, for real. Bitch ass, for real. What you gonna do? Nothing. Fat ass little bitch, for real. Little 23-year-old self, what the f you gonna do? Huh? Nothing. Ass motherfucker, for real. Bitch, don't let me get my goddamn hands on you, for real. It's gonna be a karate chop to your goddamn eye and into your motherfucking throat. And it is it for you, for real. Do you think I give a fuck? For real, this little pussy ass for real? No explanation, no goddamn reason for arresting somebody, little bitch ass for real. Sissy ass. Y'all are like, why do we always gotta deal with this guy? I'm like, you hired this ass sissy motherfucker. I'm like, why on earth? Why? Little bitch got 90,000 goddamn gadgets on his motherfucking belt like he really own and run anything.
The woman was charged with DUI, resisting without violence, refusing to submit, and open container. She was sentenced to 10 days jail, time served, 1 year probation, and community service.
Now, as we was watching that, I was thinking the DUI charge was going to get dropped. But I think because she failed to submit to a test, that's why they didn't drop it, in my opinion. Because I think if she would have submitted to the test, even if she would have, been over the limit, they probably would have, dropped that DUI charge just because she wasn't actually physically driving and, nobody witnessed her driving drunk. And when the police got there, the keys weren't in the ignition. I think they would have dropped it if she would have submitted to the test. That's just my opinion. I don't know. But yeah, if you know alcohol makes you sleepy, that means you can only drink at the house. That's it. If alcohol makes you sleepy, you can only drink at home, or if you're at a, family or friend's house and you plan on staying the night. Those are your two options, okay? That's how you avoid this. That's the best way to avoid this. It is. All right, I thank y'all for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you like the video, hit the like button, okay? And hit subscribe, because if you don't, you might not ever see me again. And that's just, you don't want that. Hit subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one, man.